Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeView channel. I'm Henry. Today, I will tell you how to grow garlic very fast. Only use water at home. Garlic is easy to grow and can be grown year-round. Usually, it grows in the cold season, like late of autumn under soil ground. After plant 6 to 8 months, it can be harvested. But today, I will tell you only grow garlic leaves and harvest them several times. From YouTube videos, we know if grow garlic just put them into a water bottle, the hard skin will hinder the garlic sprout. Why not we first remove the hard skin before planting them? Let's do it. First, separate the garlic bulb apart. Remove the hard skin and the root apart. It will help them sprout easy. Cut the water bottle and remove the cap. Since the small garlic bulb may drop from the top hole, use a thin line, put them together with a needle. Knot the thin line. Put them into the top water part. Set the top part above the water bottle and fill with water. Cover the root of the garlic. Fill the water every day. Change clean water every 3 days. 2 or 3 days later, the garlic will sprout. After 2 weeks, we can harvest the garlic leaves. They can be harvested several times. It will take some time to connect the garlic together using a thin line. We make a plant basket for more easy cultivation using 3D printing. Make a small basket, which the bottle diameter is 66 mm. The top diameter is 80 mm. You can adjust the size depending on your water bottle size. Put garlic bulbs into the basket. It is much easier to plant garlic only using water. Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss an update. TubeView channel is waiting for you.